Okay. I'm going at school in 10 seconds. Okay. I'm almost there. A little bit. I'm almost there. Should have entered here. Evenly. Okay, whatever you call it. I don't know where's my daddy going. He's going to my school to pick me up over there. And it's right over there by that big town church. Okay? There's next to that little house right there.